We are starting off in Savonburg, Kansas. Happy 3rd birthday to Owen Westhoff.
All right, what a cute picture.
Yeah.
All right. All right, and we've got Easton Watkins turning 8 years old this year. Easton is celebrating in Thayer, Kansas.
We'll head over to Frontenac, staying on the Kansas side. Happy 9th this year to Bella Barcelona. Happy 9th to you, Bella.
Somebody's on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
All right, wishing her happy birthday, I'm sure. Eli Valley is celebrating birthday number 10 this year. Eli is in Girard.
And we'll stay in Kansas, heading over to Bronson. Happy 13th to Hunter Johnson. Happy birthday, Hunter.
All right, and with love from the entire family, CAMRIE RANABARGAR celebrating Sweet 16 this year. Happy birthday, CAMRIE, in Chanute, Kansas.
We'll head down the road to Riverton. Happy 17th to Braxton Bales. Happy birthday, Braxton.
All right, and we've got a former Frontenac, Kansas resident who now resides in Arma. Didn't go too far there, that's good. Cody Evans is now 22 years old. Happy birthday, Cody.
And the Kansas train keeps on rolling over to St. Paul to KRISTI Dillinger. Happy 39th to you, KRISTI.
All right, and let's see, we've got Glenn NESBITT. You see him there in the middle of that photo. Glenn is turning 49 years old this year. Happy birthday, Glenn, in Oswego, Kansas.
And surrounded by nice and loving family there, meant to say. Happy birthday to you, Glenn. We continue on to Frontenac now. Jean Com, 71 years young. I imagine it's a nice picture there with a granddaughter. Happy birthday to you, Miss Jean.
Yep, that is right. That is her granddaughter. She's on the right, celebrating her birthday as well, Miss EVELYN. So Jeannie and Evelyn are celebrating a birthday, and Evelyn's 2 this year and lives in Pittsburgh. How cool.
Absolutely. We head over the state line now to Jasper, Missouri. 71 years today for Ron Lee. Happy birthday to you, sir.
All right, and thank you for your service with us. And we've got Carol Frobish celebrating birthday number 80 this year in Joplin. Miss Carol, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day.
All right, down the road in Crestline, we want to wish a happy birthday to Gary Drennan. Happy birthday to you, Gary. Hopefully it's a good one.
All right, and out in Parsons, Ellie Montee, happy birthday. Looks like she's got a great big family to celebrate with her because she's a mom, grandma, and a great-grandma.
Absolutely.
And nothing scares her, according to her shirt. I like that.
Absolutely. We continue on to Marilyn Torchia. Hope I got the last name right, Marilyn, out of Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday to you.
All right, and Carl and Linda Crocker are celebrating their 46th anniversary this year. Great photo there of the Crockers out in Chautauqua, and congratulations on 46 years together.
And one of my partners in crime on the weekend, she's our sports reporter, DANI TERZER. She has a birthday. Happy birthday to you, DANI.
I got to kick it with DANI during the Pittsburgh parade.
Oh, yeah.
She revealed to me that was her first Christmas parade, so.
I bet she had a good time, too.
It was a fun experience. All right, happy birthday, DANI. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season and a great day today.
Absolutely.
All right, our list goes on. We've got Mindy Eddington celebrating a birthday. She's our neighbor in Crestline, and Marcia Bradney in Columbus. Happy birthday to you as well. Oh, and then Kim Major turning 43 in Columbus, and down in Miami, Kathy Ori, happy birthday.
And that is it for our birthdays for today. If you want us to give you a birthday or anniversary shout out, easy to do. Head over to, or send it rather, to birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
All right, or you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com.